There's a lot of loose hairs around it. The only way that this can be fixed is if I use a crochet hook. Double prong crochet hook, 0.75 needles. With the hooks going upward, I'm going to twist the lock in the direction that I would be retwisting it and pull those loose hairs using the crochet hook. And my crochet hook is facing upward. Single hook, 0.75 needle. I'm just gonna go over what I just did